What is up, guys? It is Dr. J here with another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make your custom keyboard. So as you can see, this app right here, Flexi, you can go and download it in the App Store. So this is what you're going to do. You are going to go into the App Store and you're going to go search. Then you're going to search Flexi. So I'm going to search. And it's the one on the top left. It doesn't look, the icon doesn't look the same as the one when it's downloaded, but that's the one. As you can see, it says open to it. That's proof that this is the one. Anyways, so once you do that, you're gonna want to go into your settings, and then you're gonna want to go into hold up a second. You're gonna go into general. And then you're going to go scroll down all the way to keyboards, and you're going to click on keyboard. You're going to click on the top one, which is this one right here. And then you're going to go to Flexi, and you're going to do this one. And then it'll ask you full access, and then you're going to, you'll go into it, and it'll be like this, and then you'll swipe it to swipe it on. And then you're going to hit allow, and it has no glitches or anything like that. But if for some reason you cannot get into Flexi and it's crashing every time you go into it, you're gonna want to delete it, and you're gonna want to. I'll actually put a link in the description of where you can find it. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna show you how you can custom make your keyboards and stuff. So Flexi, nothing. So Flexi actually has it where you can custom make your own keyboards right where this plus sign is, or you can buy some, and there are some for free. So these ones right here, like unlock things right under the custom making ones, and then the two under there, and then these ones. So there's like 3 packs like these ones, this one right here under my themes, and then you can unlock themes, and then yeah, and those ones are free, but these other ones are paid. So if you want to buy these, they cost money. Yeah, so this is how you're going to do your custom keyboard. You're going to click on the plus sign, and this is going to be your background image. You can take one from your camera roll, or just pick one of these ones. So I have this black one right here. I'm not saying you have to copy me, but this is one I use because I thought the black was really cool. But you can also use white. You can use this kind of one, this one, and this one as a background that they give you. And then once you're done with that, you're going to go hit this arrow, and then you're just going to do these. I'm not going to show you what they do because I'd like you to find that out for yourself. And then once you get to all of them, once you do it, you hit save, which I'm not going to push because I already have one that I like. And then yeah, and then you'll have your own custom keyboard like mine is this one. So it's just like, hey. And unfortunately it is not swipe, so I cannot swipe, but it still is pretty cool and I like it, and it works on all the apps. It works if you have messaging, like it works on Instagram and any of those things. So yeah, this is definitely an app that I think you should check out. Well, that's pretty much for this video. If you liked it, make sure to click on that like button and subscribe for more. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!